Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my RFAQK Cake Turntable Set. Every time I try to make the kids' birthday cakes, one of my difficulties is to decorate the cake evenly. Every time I try to do the cream with the piping bag, I have to keep stopping and spinning the cake a few degrees at a time and then continue piping. I knew I needed a turntable, so I was very excited to finally get one. This cake turntable set is 12 inches, so it was just the right size for what I needed. It also has 50 pieces of various accessories that come with it, including a cake leveler, piping bag, spatulas, as well as icing tips. I basically have everything that I need to decorate cakes. The base of this turntable is non-slip, so it grips onto the counter while I'm decorating the cake. This cake turntable also has a few different color options. I personally chose the silver one, but you can pick any of the different options depending on your needs and your preferences. And if you are interested in taking your cake decorating skills to the next level, it also comes with additional resources such as guides and pattern charts to help with that as well. I just recently got this in the mail and I haven't had a chance to try it out yet, but I'm excited to see how this can really help increase my efficiency when decorating cakes. If you are in the market for a cake turntable set with everything that you need to get started, be sure to look into this.